In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MetaTrader 5 on a virtual private server, step by step. First, you'll need a Windows-based VPS. This is a remote computer that stays online 24/7, perfect for keeping MetaTrader 5 and any automated strategies running without interruption. Choose a reputable provider and pick a plan with enough RAM and CPU for your trading setup. Popular options include providers known for solid uptime and data center locations around the world. Keep the VPS IP address, username, and password handy, as you'll need them in a moment. Next, connect to your VPS from a Windows PC using Remote Desktop. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog, type MSTEC, and press Enter. In the Remote Desktop Connection window, enter your VPS IP address and click Connect. If you're prompted about a certificate, confirm to proceed, then enter the VPS username and password from your provider. Once you're in, you'll see the VPS desktop just like a regular Windows machine. Now open MetaTrader 5 on the VPS. In the platform, go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Carefully enter your trading account number, your password, and select the correct broker server from the list. Click Login. Look in the bottom right of MT5 for the connection status to confirm you're online. With your account connected, set up your trading environment. Open the charts you plan to use and add any indicators you rely on. If you're running an expert advisor, open the Navigator panel, find your EA, and drag it onto the appropriate chart. In the settings window that appears, make sure Allow Algo Trading is enabled, then click OK. You should see the EA parameters applied to that chart. Enable automated trading globally by clicking the Auto Trading button at the top of the platform. When it turns green, MetaTrader is allowed to run your EA automatically, subject to the settings you just confirmed. To keep everything running continuously, do not shut down the VPS. Simply close the Remote Desktop window on your local computer when you're done. The VPS keeps working in the background, and MetaTrader 5 will continue operating around the clock. Before you walk away, test that everything is functioning. Verify the VPS has an active internet connection. Ensure MT5 shows as connected. Check for the EA's smiley face on the chart, and confirm that trades can open as expected with your broker. That's it. Your MetaTrader 5 is now running on a VPS continuously, giving you reliable uptime and hands-off automation.